in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add students to an Itslearning course. So this tutorial is really more intended for someone who maybe has created an Itslearning course for special education students on their caseload, or if you run a club or an after-school activity and you kind of created a course here for you to put resources in. If you teach a class that is in your school's course catalog, it's something where secretaries from your main office enroll students and it's on your Power School, you will never need to upload students into your Itslearning course yourself. There's no need to do that manually. They're always added automatically. So if you do fit one of those ones I mentioned earlier, so maybe you're a special education teacher or you're running a club or sponsoring one, you first need to make sure that you have a course made, and there's another video where I show you to do that. But if you want to add students into the course you've made, you will navigate to your course from the courses menu. If you don't see it here, click all courses and it will show you your full list where you'll be able to select it. And when you navigate to your course, you're going to click the More button across the top and select Participants. And from here is where you can add more participants by clicking the Add button. And then you'll search by the student's name. All right, make sure that pupil is selected so you can actually add the students that you need to. You search for the student's name. You'll put a check mark beside the student that you want to add. Make sure pupil is selected. It will do that by default, and then click Add. And then your student has been added to your course. And you'll repeat that process for all of the other participants that you need to add.